Not your typical early July weather for the Concho Valley and the Big Country. It's been a fairly cloudy and rainy day, which has led to cool temperatures. The high today in San Angelo is only 77 degrees, pretty unheard of for July 2nd. Also, a good amount of rain fell at San Angelo Mathis Airport, 84 hundredths of an inch, so nearly an inch fell since midnight, and 2/10 of an inch fell at Abilene Regional Airport. Not as high as San Angelo, still pretty good rain in the Key City, and it looks like just about everywhere in West Texas at least got a little bit of rain, at least enough to wet the rain gauge. 2/10 of an inch even fell in Snyder. You have moisture moving in from the Gulf. That's what's kind of allowed us to have these rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Still seeing those showers moving with the Gulf air from south to north across the area. Looks like the heaviest rain is still west of San Angelo, kind of between Sterling City and Mertzen. It's weakening though. You see that area of yellow, maybe some moderate rainfall and maybe a flash of lightning or two. Nothing terribly impactful. And then maybe a little bit of some moderate rain between Coleman and Brownwood. This activity likely going to dissipate. That's what Timecast shows for the next couple of hours. Thursday morning, we'll see a little bit of redevelopment, so I want to keep that in mind as you're headed to work the day before the holiday tomorrow. And we'll kind of see more rounds moving, again, south to north across the Concho Valley and the Big Country. Kind of similar to what we've been seeing pretty much the entire work week. Not expecting severe weather. There could be some lightning and perhaps some pockets of heavier rainfall again. That could potentially lead to some localized flash flooding. Thursday at 10 p.m., similar to today, it looks like that activity is going to be kind of fizzling out, and then some more activity Friday morning and potentially some redevelopment Friday afternoon into the evening. And yes, that is potentially when a lot of people are going to be out and about for those 4th of July plans. I wouldn't cancel anything at this point. Friday afternoon, it looks like the coverage is relatively sparse. Less people are going to be seeing those showers and thunderstorms. No, though, the possibility for some lightning and potentially some heavy rain is there for your 4th of July evening plans. So just make sure you download that Fox West Texas mobile app, stay weather aware, and we'll be tracking all those weather impacts for you right here at Fox West Texas. No storms right now in the city of San Angelo. You can kind of see the roads are still wet from the rain earlier today. Sitting at 72 degrees at San Angelo Mathis Airport. It is humid though, so it doesn't feel too nice. The thermometer, though, is abnormally low, 76 in Stephenville, 72 in the city of San Angelo with those winds coming out of the east. That's what's helping deliver that moisture from the Gulf all the way for us in the Concho Valley and the Big Country. With kind of a rainy day for your Thursday, we'll see those highs only get into potentially the low and mid 80s. I wouldn't be shocked if places like Snyder only stayed in the upper 70s. I'm officially forecasting a high of 81, 87 in Breckenridge. For any of those 4th of July plans, again, storms potentially around. Thanks to those cloud cover and the recent rain we've had, highs only look to get into the upper 80s. For your 4th of July, I am officially forecasting a high of 88, only a high of 83 tomorrow. 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms for your Thursday across the Concho Valley and the Big Country. I'm going with a high of 86 tomorrow in Abilene, 88 for your 4th of July with a 30% chance of showers and storms. Faucet turns off this weekend and the thermostat goes up. We're going to be seeing a high of 95 in Abilene this Saturday. Not record breaking, and we look to stay below the century mark for at least the next 7 days. You can find the full forecast online. Ethan?
On weather.